Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Me. Hope you all are doing well. So I'm finally back from my vacation and tomorrow is Valentine's Day. So here is a quick nail art for this Valentine's. It's the hearts and the lips nail. So let's get started. All the products that I've used for this tutorial will be mentioned in the description box below. It's basically 2 colors, 2 plus 1 for the hearts and 1 top coat. So total of 4 colors. So let's get started. So here with the help of a brush, I'm going to create a heart. I'm not going to fill in that heart, I just want the outline of an heart. So I'm going to even create tiny little hearts because I have very short and the space on my nails is very less. So I'm going to create basically 2 hearts or 3 hearts depending on the space on my nails. And to cover up those extra space, I'm going to do tiny little hearts here like so. So basically I'm going to repeat the same on the nails that I have painted red. So for today actually I was supposed to create a big DIY and it turned out okay, but it wasn't that great, you know. I was not satisfied with the overall outcome, so I created a quick nail art. That's why there's an issue with the lighting, because I created this at night. Now on the nail that I have painted pink, I'm going to create lips. So this is the way you create lips. It's very easy. So and I'm going to fill those lips like red, the same color basically. I'm not going to leave it hollow. So I'm going to create lips in various directions. It again depends on the size of your nail. So I'm going to, I think, create 2 lips and then I'm going to just put in some dots to fill in that extra space. So guys, what are your Valentine's plans and why aren't you subscribing to my channel? Come on, there's an increase in the number of subscribers. I'm really happy and thank you for that. And if you're watching, I really appreciate. So wherever you watch my videos, do leave a comment like, do you like the videos? What do you want me to do? What should I improve on? So it will be really great to read in your comments. So guys, don't forget to comment. Here I have created tiny little hearts to create to fill in that space instead of the dots. Okay, so now with the help of some white, I'm going to create some dimension and I'm going to create the tiny little lines on those lips like so. If you don't want to do it, you can skip it, it's okay. So this is a very quick nail art for Valentine's, so do give this a try. Allow your nail art to completely dry before you apply your top coat to seal in that nail art, and if you recreate this, do tag me. Guys, this is very simple nail art, so you guys have to recreate this on Valentine's Day. And this is the final outcome. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Until next time, happy Valentine's!